Earthquake just the pursue person up and down. Everybody don't run, come outside. It's not a laughing matter. This kind of person go run. Come out from Nigeria, where banditry, they buy people up and down. Come enter country where every time they say evacuate, earthquake. What the fuck? Imagine, man. We are all outside waiting for it to pass. I'm still not regretting ever coming here anyways. But I beg you, God forbid. Ishimama Ntakwanamba. Ah, Jesus. Amen. Look at show that. Everybody's outside for the earthquake. Everybody's ready to run. See where they walk, they ask us, everybody, alarm, the alarm is really disturbing your phone, even though SIM there or not, will they vibrate. See me, I they walk. Every human being is outside. Even though you're there for 100th floor, you will come downstairs. Yeah. It is the way it is. I'm safe and sound. That is the most important thing. Earthquake, you know, go see me, people. Bye. I just want to update you guys.